What's up, guys? And look what I have in the mail. My Razer stuff that I ordered online a few days ago. It just got to my house, the doorstep, and I just got some stuff from the delivery guy. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have the Razer Arctosa gaming keyboard here. Let's take a look at that first. Okay, let's get this card box out. Okay, it's out. Throw that one in one side and get this wrapping off. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. Oops. Oh, wait, never mind. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, the wrapping. And that is the keyboard itself. Arctosa, and it's pretty cool. As you can see the strap. Okay. That is very cool. It says 100% fully programmable keys. Over here, not sure. Anti-ghosting for WASD cluster, anti-ghosting auto dust touches, AAS, WASD, and some other stuff. And here's the back. There's the keyboard and some information about it. Easy access media keys, WASD gaming clusters, and yeah. Okay, let's get to the unboxing itself. Yes, we have this tape over here. Just peel it off. Okay, the flap, and it comes out like that. Okay. And pull it out. And that is the keyboard. Okay. Take this out. Okay. And there we go. There's the box. And then there's the keyboard. Let's take the keyboard out. And some tape. That's the cable, the USB cable. Let's put the keyboard aside first, and we'll look into this informational package here. This says right here, for gamers, by gamers, Razer. Okay, and there's the Razer logo. It's very cool. And open this up. Okay, and take this out. Okay, this is the certificate of authenticity. I have no idea how to pronounce that. You can see right there the white words, certificate of something something. And then we have the quick start guide, and yeah, we have the CD inside here. Whoops. Let me clear it out later. And we have the stickers, Razer stickers. It's very cool. I'm most probably gonna stick that on my what's that called? My subwoofers, my Logitech subwoofers. That's the keyboard itself. Okay. As you can see here, I'm just gonna take this off. It's pretty slick. This part is glossy, which I don't really like that much because it can attract a lot of fingerprints. Yeah, but this part is matte. You can like rest your palm here and like play your games or anything. Yeah, so I guess that's kind of handy. And they have this part right here. It's very cool. Not sure you can see that, but it has the play button, the stop button, fast forward and backwards button, I guess, for your music and stuff. Yeah, that's about it. That's the back if you want to see it. For some reason, that's it, the back. And I always love this sticky things on here. This thing that makes your keyboard stand. I always like that. Okay, that's about it for the keyboard itself. It's the Razer Arctosa gaming keyboard from Razer, and it cost me around 80 plus, I guess. I'm not sure, I forgot the price already, but this is cheaper than the headset that I bought. So let's get to the headset. I'm gonna go rearrange this stuff first, so yeah, be right back.